We only had 2 days in Paris, and our schedule was very tight. So the first place we visited was Palace of Versailles. So this is the honor gate. When there are so many people, you'll have to line up here, and they will release people by batches. After entering the gate, you will be in the courtyard of honor. Queues are lining up on the left according to the ticket booking time. And inside of this gate is the royal courtyard. You will need to go through the security, and once that's done, you will be in the courtyard. Since usually there are so many people, pre-booking with the time is definitely recommended. These are the poetry painting for Louis XIII to Louis XVI. This is my favorite part, the Hall of Mirrors. This is the gallery of the battles. After exiting the palace, you will be in the garden, and it requires additional ticket in order to get in. But you also can buy the bundle ticket or combo ticket, which includes the garden. We then came into the city of Paris and by the side of a river of Seine. And later on we saw this Eiffel Tower and we decided to take the boat tour.
Au fil de l'eau, nous allons passer souvent de pont et découvrir en musique les principaux monuments de Paris. La visite sera commentée dans les audioguides que vous avez derrière chaque siège, mais seulement à l'intérieur du bateau.
Standing at the Trocadero Plaza, you can see the full Eiffel Tower. This is the famous Triumphal Arch. The next day we came to the Louvre Museum. There's so many people. We booked basically the earliest time, 9 a.m. But as you can see, still a lot of people. The reason we booked it early so that we can see the famous Da Vinci's Mona Lisa. If you want to see every connection in this museum, I think you need at least 2 to 3 days. This is the Pantheon. Luckily, the Notre Dame was reopened last December, so I was able to book a time in order to get in. They will release the time 3 days ahead. The last tour we did in Paris was going up to the top of Eiffel Tower. Okay, we're going up to the top of Eiffel Tower.
Vamos a subir hasta la segunda planta directamente. Sur le côté, dans quelques secondes, le premier étage, la bulle de Pâques aussi. On the side here, you can see this is the first floor. It's your last stop on your way down, where you can walk on the glass floor. You can also discover the largest exhibition in the Eiffel Tower. Puedes visitar el primer piso cuando bajas de la Torre Eiffel. La última visita con el suelo de cristal, la exposición más grande sobre la historia de la Torre Eiffel. Mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue au deuxième étage. La sortie dans cette direction, s'il vous plaît. Si vous allez au sommet, on change d'ascenseur sur le même niveau. Welcome to the second floor. So going to the top, you need to change lift on the same level.
C'est la visite du deuxième étage. Si vous avez des tickets pour le sommet, vous changez d'ascenseur.
Unfortunately, after we got to the top of the Eiffel Tower, the view was not that good because you can see a lot of places were turning off the lights in order to protect the environment. So definitely not comparable to my experience in Taiwan or Chile. Thanks for watching this video and see you in next one.